Welcome to St. Malo Heights, where we embark on a transformative journey to create a sustainable and thriving environment for the community. This landscape renovation project by LST Studio in San Diego addresses economic, social, and environmental aspects to ensure a harmonious future for this beautiful area. Our sustainable approach begins with economic impact. The design aims to reduce maintenance costs by 70% and water consumption by 50%. Once the California native plants establish themselves, approximately 2 years after installation, these savings will only increase. This cost-effective strategy ensures long-term financial sustainability for the community. The social benefits are equally important. The centerpiece, Zone A, the main island, will serve as a vibrant community space, fostering connection and engagement. By reducing the heat island effect by 2-3 degrees, we create a more comfortable environment for residents. In addition, the thoughtful plant selection avoids allergenic or poisonous species, ensuring safety and peace of mind for everyone. Environmentally, this project embraces California native species, which consume less water and naturally cool the landscape. By introducing a diverse range of plants, we aim to create a new ecological microsystem that will evolve and balance itself over time. This enhances biodiversity, supports wildlife, and promotes a sustainable, resilient landscape that harmonizes with the surrounding environment. Our design intent focuses on transforming the outdated landscape, which includes invasive trees and water-thirsty turf. The new design features California native plants, bioswales to capture rainwater, and a modern drip irrigation system. These updates will reduce maintenance costs by 70% and water consumption by 50% in Zones A and B. Initially, the new plants will need regular watering during their establishment phase, but after 2 years, water usage will significantly decrease. Maintenance will be minimal, with only occasional trimming required. By selecting plants with very low water requirements, we ensure that both water consumption and maintenance costs remain low for years to come. Through the use of varied plant heights, we've enhanced shading throughout the landscape, cooling the environment and refreshing the air. This natural cooling will reduce the heat island effect, making St. Malo Heights more comfortable during hot days. By 2030, the investment in this new landscape will have paid off, matching current maintenance costs while delivering a vastly improved, sustainable environment. Our projections estimate that this new landscape design will perform efficiently for 20 to 30 years, depending on environmental factors. At LST Studio, we believe in designing landscapes that balance human needs with nature's beauty and resilience. The St. Malo Heights renovation is a testament to that mission. We invite you to join us in our commitment to sustainability, and together we can create a better future for our planet.